Spectrum's Wi-Fi 6 routers offer two main methods for connecting your printer: WPS and manual Wi-Fi setup. WPS is the quickest method, ideal for those without technical experience. Simply power on your printer and Spectrum router. Press the WPS button on both devices simultaneously, usually holding it for a few seconds. They should automatically connect within 2 minutes without needing a password. Look for LED light confirmation on both devices or a notification in the My Spectrum app. Manual Wi-Fi setup is more secure. Access your printer's control panel, touchscreen, or companion app. Find the Wi-Fi settings, select your Spectrum network name, and enter the password. This password can be found on your Spectrum router's label or in the My Spectrum app. This method supports stronger encryption like WPA3, now standard on Spectrum routers. If you're having trouble, first ensure your printer supports either the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz band. Wi-Fi 6 routers handle both bands. Keep the printer within 30 feet of the router to avoid signal issues. For WPS issues, ensure WPS is enabled in your router settings and try again, being mindful of the short window to push the WPS button on both devices. WPS still fails, try manual setup. Check that your Spectrum router has the latest firmware via the My Spectrum app or website. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility problems. For manual setup, double-check the SSID and password for typos. Consider using the 5 GHz band on the router for printers needing lower latency. This is also the preferred solution. Always set the printer to use WPA3 encryption for the best possible security.